Good morning, welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some temperatures in the 40s with some scattered light rain showers across the Mid-Atlantic region around Wallops this morning. Seeing areas north and west of us much cooler, especially north and west of Cambridge this morning, seeing some snowfall as well as some freezing rain, and into the Mid-Atlantic seeing the first snowstorm across the region, especially areas west of Chesapeake Bay overnight last night. But overall, here at Wallops, going to see continued temperatures in the 40s, and scattered light rain showers for especially the afternoon hours today. I could see a brief period of some sleet mixing in right as the precip ends for later on this afternoon into the early evening hours. But overall, going to see just some cooler weather moving into cold conditions for later on today into the overnight hours. No chance of lightning today, but we'll see that chances of precipitation with some light rain for this afternoon. So taking a look at our current surface analysis, an area of low pressure off our coast, continue to move off to the north and the east. We'll see additional weak disturbance moving through for this afternoon. You can see that across South Carolina into North Carolina as well, into Georgia as well. And it's going to move into our region for later this afternoon with those chances of some rain showers, as well as that slight chance of a few sleet pellets mixing in at the very end of that precip today. So taking a look at our current observation, overcast deck at 300 feet, reduced visibility is down to 4 statute miles, northeast wind at 13 knots, temperature 45 degrees, and relative humidity at 96%. So taking a look at our radar imagery this morning, you can see we do have some showers off to our south and west in the form of some freezing rain, as well as some wintry mix across that area this morning. Going to see another batch of rainfall that's currently across, as I mentioned, the southeast states. Try to move towards our region for this afternoon with that additional disturbance, giving us a chance of some rainfall across the area. And the HRRR is going to show how the derived reflectivity will play out. You can see that batch of freezing rain as well as wintry mix across the north and western portions of the Delmarva Peninsula, as well as the Mid-Atlantic region for this morning into the afternoon hours. Should see a band of precipitation develop across our region. This is at 1 p.m. or 1300 local, developing across the area, moving through, giving us a chance of some rain showers. I mentioned could see a few sleet pellets mixed in at the very end. Not going to see any accumulation of those sleet pellets whatsoever, and we'll just see some primarily just some rain showers. However, we'll see much colder conditions move in for the overnight hours, seeing wind chills possibly near 10 degrees by tomorrow morning. So looking at our risk chart for today, we'll see a high this morning around 47 degrees, and then by noon temperatures should start to fall back into the lower 40s, and then by 1600 local seeing temperatures back into 30s. So seeing that wind shift out of the northwest as well, and that'll usher in some colder air across the region. We'll see our winds gusting 26 to 27 knots this afternoon in the evening hours, so could see a wind advisory as well. Overnight low tonight will be around 21 degrees. I mentioned could see our wind chills near 10 degrees tomorrow morning, so some much colder conditions and feeling much more like winter by tomorrow morning. As far as our 24-hour terminal forecast goes, we'll see lower ceilings this morning into the afternoon hours. Should see those ceilings start to rise, especially after about 1500 local. We'll see those rain showers in the region afternoon today, and that's going to last until about 1500 local. As I mentioned, that very slight chance we see a few sleet pellets mixed in at the very end, but overall just going to see some rain showers for today into the afternoon hours. Moving to tomorrow morning, we'll see mostly sunny skies, much colder weather, as I mentioned, just a few clouds around 2,000 feet. Our tides are slightly above normal, and looking at Wednesday and Thursday, Wednesday mostly sunny and cold, wind chills near 10 degrees during the morning, and we'll see a high of only 34 degrees on Wednesday. Wednesday night, mostly clear to partly cloudy, low of 27, and for Thursday, we'll see mostly cloudy, overcast skies, milder temperatures, high around 45 degrees. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. Hope everybody has a great day today. Back at 10 o'clock for the next 7 days.